is a senior-based clinic for Medicare patients, and what we do is we focus on prevention. So not like your traditional clinics where you come in, it's reactive medicine. We focus more on proactive medicine, meaning that we see all of our patients even when they're healthy. That's just to confirm, that they're feeling okay. They have chronic illnesses like diabetes, hypertension. We want to control and maintain it. So pretty much we just want to keep them out of the hospital, keep them healthy, and just get them used to coming and seeing us even if they're healthy.
Cool. Very cool.
Dr. Sarmiento, world's greatest radiologist. Just busy saving lives, it's amazing.